Earn money for instant stress relief. When you're dealing with financial difficulties, it can be very frustrating and stressful. And while the effects of stress are huge, you may only need to make a little money to combat those feelings and receive a lot of relief. You need to take a hard look at your household budget. Have you cut expenses as much as you can? For some families, cutting costs can include things like canceling cable or eating out fewer times a week. But if you're already pared your expenses down as much as possible, the only answer that will really help is an increase in income. First, you need to determine how much you really need to make ends meet. This will allow you to set a goal for how much you need to increase your income. For many people, the amount won't be as large as expected. In fact, you may be surprised how just adding $100 or $200 a month can give you a great deal of relief. Then you need to look for ways you can increase your income and meet your goals. There are several ways you can look for opportunities to make a little more money. For example, check your local paper for part-time or even temporary jobs that can bring in some quick cash. Look at what you already know how to do. Are you a talented artist? Do you know how to write well? Can you make specialty cakes? Do you sew? Would you be willing to do some housework? There are many opportunities for someone who's willing to put in some extra time to make a little extra money. The internet also offers opportunities through internet marketing and affiliate programs to add cash to your budget without having to leave your living room. Make sure to get educated about these opportunities and look to the experts for advice. You'll find that many people who are successful are more than happy to mentor you and help you to find your own success. You may also find that there are good products that will teach you what you need to know to make extra money from home. When you add a little money to your income, you can relieve almost all of your financial stress. This will free you up to take care of other things that are going on in your life. When you take control of your finances, you'll find that you have peace of mind. If you're adding a little money to your budget, even if it doesn't totally get rid of your deficit, you'll feel empowered and have instant stress relief. Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you subscribe to receive more video related to stress relief, stress management, and many other everyday health and wellness. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, and stay healthy.